it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are deep spring cleaning my closet. My closet is so overwhelming. There's so many clothes just packed into my closet. Every time I walk in there, I feel stressed and like I don't know what to wear. Every few months I go in there and I get rid of a few things, but I have not done a deep, thorough clean out in a very long time. Probably gonna take me all day, if not multiple days, because I do have a lot of clothes. But lucky for y'all, they will be sold on my Depop and then donated to local women's shelters and charities. So if you see anything that I'm getting rid of, it'll be on my Depop at Kaiti_Mackenzie. I sell all my clothes for pretty cheap over there. Let's tackle this closet. Here we are in the closet of doom. I'm most definitely gonna need some caffeine, so I'm cracking open an ice cold Alani to get me through this. Cheers, we're gonna be here a while. I have all of my like nice clothes hanging up, and then dresses, rompers. Up top is all of my sweats, skirts, sweatshirts, and then we have the bottom section, bikinis, workout clothes, sports bras. So I think we're gonna start top to bottom, and I'm gonna take everything off the top shelf down and put it on the floor. I might need my step stool. I'm tall, but I'm not tall enough, so yeah, here we go. I'm literally throwing it all on the ground. We're gonna have to refold everything. It has to be done. Oh my goodness. Why does one need this many sweatshirts? Let's make snow angels. This is all my sweatshirts. I think the easiest way to do this is just a yes and a no pile. And I'm gonna try and be really picky because I live in Florida. Like, nobody needs this amount of sweatshirts. We'll start easy. All of my dandy sweatshirts I'm keeping. They are absolutely my favorite sweatshirts of all time. Quality's just so thick. The material's amazing. I have so many of them because they're truly my favorite. All the dandy ones are being folded and kept for sure. Y'all, my dream is to collab with Dandy. I want to make a sweatshirt with them so bad. I think it'd be such a good collab for the both of us. So if you want to see me collab with Dandy, let me know. Spread the love. Tag them. Comment on their stuff. Let's make it happen. That would be such a fun collab for the both of us. I just love their sweatshirts. Next, we have this purple Lonely Ghost sweatshirt that says, "Text me when you get home." I loved this. I wore it for so long, but I think I'm gonna sell this because somebody else will love it more than I do. This hoodie is iconic. It's a pink Playboy bunny sweatshirt. I wore this in middle school and high school all the time. I hated how tight the hood was around my neck, so I cut a slit to make it bigger. And I still love this sweatshirt. I think it's so cute, but I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon, honestly. So we're gonna try and sell this, and if no one buys it, then I'll donate it. There are a few that I have that I don't wear all the time, but I definitely have to keep. The Steelers crew neck, perfect for any of the games I go to, or just when I visit my brother in Pittsburgh. Same with this Army sweatshirt. My papa was in the Army for literally ever. When the games are on, or if we go to any of them, this is what I wear. See, and then I have 3 Florida State crew necks, which I don't need. And I did recently in the past few months get rid of 2 more, so I used to have 5, and they all look the same. That's the problem. Black, good old crew neck. See, I really like this one too, but it's just pilling a little bit more. The garnet zip up is actually the one I'm gonna get rid of and donate or sell, just because I'll actually wear these more than I will this one. I still love it, don't get me wrong. It's a great sweatshirt, but again, I just don't need it. You'd think I'd get rid of one of the black ones, but nope. I'm not. I'm gonna rapid fire go through the rest of them because I want to get this done fast, and if I think too hard, I'm not gonna get rid of anything. I don't know if this is the greatest accomplishment, but here's what I'm keeping, and that's what I'm donating. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look good like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? That's not bad, right? To move out here. It was getting so toasty in the closet. I had to put my hair up too. Here are all the pants that were at the top of my closet. Comfy, nice, jeans, skirts, you name it, it's here. I feel like I should be able to get rid of a ton of these because I honestly don't wear as many as I should. I just bought these pants, but they shrunk in the wash, so now I'm going to have to sell them. They're great pants, just too small on me now. And these are the ones that I replaced them with. They look almost identical, but this is a more linen-y material. I haven't even worn these yet. I bought them to replace the ones I shrunk. Definitely keeping these, as well as this beautiful white maxi skirt that I love so much. Selling these athletic gray like jogger pants. They're great. I just don't really reach for them anymore. As well as these Seminoles PJ pants. I just don't love the fit of these, so hopefully someone else will. And to go with the Playboy bunny theme, we have these sweatpants that were also the vibe at the time. They still fit great. They're honestly great sweats, but just not my style anymore, and that's okay. I love these blue pants. They're my new favorite, so keeping these. these. I haven't even worn these yet, but they're this beautiful green olive tone linen pants, so we're keeping these as well. Time to rapid fire go through the rest of these. I'm keeping these 5 piles. Y'all have to remember that that's all skirts. That's like nice going out pants, jeans, PJ pants, and sweats. So they all have their purpose. And then I'm getting rid of all of these, which is about 10 pairs of pants. So I think that's pretty good. And now to put everything back on the top shelf, I'm gonna take all my hats down because that'll be a whole separate thing. This alone already looks so much less cluttered. You can see there's space at the top. The piles aren't falling down and I can vividly and clearly see all of my clothes. I'm loving it. Now it's time to move on to the hangers, which is going to be tricky. Every single time I go through these hang up clothes, I don't get rid of anything and I need to. We are doing it. Brown shirt, yes. Gray shirt, yes. Long sleeve, yes. Yes, plain white shirts. Why do I have so many? This shirt needs to be sold. Unfortunately, it never fit my boobs. It's so freaking cute. It's white and lacy and this part is here and then this part has like an open little slit in the middle. I love this shirt. Wore it one time, but I was falling out of it the entire time. So she's gonna go to a better home. Got rid of one thing. Woo! For some reason, I have a million plain white shirts. Gonna get rid of this one. It's an extra large Fruit of the Loom. A lot of the hanging up stuff is long sleeves, which I wear when I travel or go back to Georgia. This is not going well for me. We have made it to the dresses and rompers. I hold all of these so near and dear to my heart. It's gonna be real hard to get rid of any of them. See, like, these are just so cute. This is another one of those dresses that I want to wear so bad, but these cups just do not fit my boobs. They just don't. Way too much boobs, so I'm gonna have to sell it. I've never worn this. It's from Hello Molly, and it's super cute. I wish it fit. I held on to it for so long, hoping that my boobs would shrink, and all they did was get bigger. This dress is so beautiful. It's like this yellow orangey color. It's a maxi. Really don't like the way it fits me. I don't think it's flattering on me. So instead of letting it rot in my closet, I'm going to sell it. It's brand new, literally never worn. Let's keep this party going. I'm gonna sell this Free People romper. I have it in 2 more colors. I just always reach for the other colors more than this, but I will say I did accidentally get a little bit of a marker stain on it. It's right there. It's tiny, but it will not come out. So I'll just sell this for like super cheap on Depop if anyone wants it. Another Free People dress. So beautiful and flowy, but the strap is about to come off. So I'll also just sell this one very discounted. You could definitely restitch it. I know this still looks very full, but I got rid of 9 whole dresses, 2 shirts, and a romper. I don't think it's too bad. There's a space. I have extra hangers. What I am gonna do though is start listing some stuff on Depop. If I do it all in one big batch, it's gonna take forever, but if I do little batches at a time, it'll be great. This is my progress so far, and we'll tackle the rest soon. Alrighty y'all, it's day 2. We're back at it, hitting it strong with the closet clean out. Today we're moving on to athletic clothes and gym wear. I love to work out, so I've garnered a lot of sports bras and tops and leggings. These 2 bins are normally on the bottom floor of my closet. As you can see, they're overflowing, and we're gonna make them hopefully not overflow today. First one. Oh my gosh. How does this many bottoms fit in that tiny little bucket? And why is there a booby pad? I'm keeping all my Nike Pros because I love to run in these or wear them with like a little tank top. They're great little shorts to have. I have lots of different colors. Dang, I didn't realize how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are my favorite workout shorts, and I have them in like 4 colors, I think. They're just the best. They're so comfortable. They're flattering. Oh, I love these pink ones too. I forgot I had these. Literally bought them off TikTok shop. Honestly, not sure how effective that was. I didn't get rid of too many, not gonna lie. I wear so many of these shorts, and obviously I'm gonna keep the leggings and flare pants for when I go home and it's cold. I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3 pairs of leggings and 2 shorts. Not my best work, but it'll do. And now for the sports bras, which these really need to go. Gosh, that's a lot of boob pads. I always take the padding out of my bras. Why do I have these? Gymshark, Gymshark. This Nike one is so pretty and such a beautiful color, but no. That one was easy and successful. So many sports bras are gonna be sold on my Depop. Most of these are Gymshark, Nike, Puma, all really great brands. I really needed to do that. I've been holding on to those for so long. The rest of the booby pads are going in the trash. It might not look super neat and organized or decluttered to y'all. This is the best my closet has looked in so long. All my hanging clothes feels like there's space, it's not too crowded, and then the bottom, these two are accessible and folded and cleaned out. The last area to tackle is my dresser, which has all my like comfy clothes in it, tank tops, t-shirts. We're gonna start with all my tank tops, and this is gonna make me sad and I probably won't get rid of a lot of them. Let's go. As you can see, this is the growing pile of donate and sell clothes. Ignore that. We're moving on to my tank tops. I will say there are some like workout tops in here. Lululemon one, love keeping. I love this red one, keeping. This is a good one. All my Align tanks, I'm keeping. They're just so easy to throw on, and I find myself reaching for these multiple times a week, so I'm definitely not getting rid of them. This tank has to go. It's super cute. I've only worn it like twice, but every time I put it on, I don't like how I look in it, so bye. Another white, keeping. Align, yes. This is a really cute silk orangey top, but I never reach for it, so bye. Plain blue crop, bye. Oh, I love this one though. See, this one's longer. It's just more flattering. I'm over the super crop tops. Not a fan of those anymore. Haven't been wearing those in a long time. I love a full length top like this. I have these two loose workout tanks, but again, they just hit at a weird length. They're not full length on me, but they're not cropped. I think a lot of people these would look great on, but I'm not a fan anymore. Has a little tie here, purple, and then the same one in this gray color. Gonna try and sell those. This makes me sad, but I'm also gonna sell this FSU tie tube top. I legit wore this one time for a game day and never wore it again. It's adorable. The straps tie in the background, and if you're a college kid, this is perfect. But all my friends are about to graduate, and I don't see myself wearing this anytime soon, so bye. 4, 5, 6. Not too bad. Adding these to the sell pile. These two bins are comfy shorts. I live in lounge shorts, so this is definitely gonna be hard for me. But some of these I've had for years and they have to go. These are cute. Haven't worn them in a while. They have some pilling. Gonna donate. I legit wear these shorts one time a year, and I'm sure you can guess what day it is, so I have to keep them. These are super cute Christmas PJs, but do I need them? Yes, I do. These little sleepy boxer nighttime shorts are so pilled. Donate. Purple towel beachy shorts, gonna sell. Super cute, not my style anymore, sell. You know what? I really do wear all the rest of these. That wasn't that hard actually. I just went through all of my shoes and I got together 4 pairs that I'm either gonna sell or donate. If y'all have been around a while, you know I used to have an insane sneaker collection. I really don't wear those sneakers like I used to anymore, so I've gotten rid of a ton of them, but I just gathered 4 pairs. My Air Force Ones, my Reeboks, these checkered Vans, and then these really cool Nike high top dunks that were custom made for me a while ago. The piles are huge and growing, and I still have more. I just went through all my hats and I got rid of 6 hats, which is awesome, and my t-shirts, got rid of 5 t-shirts. All of my drawers are perfectly neat and organized. There's space for all of my stuff. Nothing's too crammed or full. I actually ordered hat organizers on Amazon. They're these little hook things that you just nail into the wall, and then you can put multiple hats on them at a time. That way I can move them from here, and I'm gonna put them in the closet. I'm trying to decide right there or here. I think might be better, just because there's already so much stuff going on over here. I think on this side might be a little bit better to hide it from people. I'm gonna nail the little hooks in there and then hang all of my hats, and they'll be out of the way. I feel a weight lifted off my shoulders, which was honestly the goal of this. Get rid of extra clutter and stuff that I wasn't wearing, wasn't needed, and ultimately just send it to a better home. A reminder that most of the stuff is gonna be sold on my Depop at Caiti_Mackenzie. If you wanna buy anything, I'm gonna sell it for pretty cheap and affordable over there. That's it for this closet clean out. I'm so glad I did this and cleared my head, cleared my mind, cleared my space. Thanks for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.